Hello everybody, Ace here with some tricks for Halloween. Good tricks for costumes. As you can see, my mask is multicolored. Looks halfway decent, but it's still a dollar mask. This mask started out like this, only in silver. What I did, you're never gonna believe. I spray painted the mask so that it was white, and then I used nail polish to color it in, because nail polish is acrylic and it is paint usually. So, pretty mask, first thing. Second thing, my daughter loves chokers, and she's going to be what she calls Spider Queen. Well, I found this ribbon at the dollar store for $1. Great ribbon, love it. So we sized it to her neck. We put some jewelry magnets on the back. So all she has to do is get them together. They'll clip shut, and hopefully the glue's not sticking to my finger, but I think it is. Yep, there. Okay. Always use some kind of glue. E6000, I don't know if that will work. I usually use super glue because they don't keep these things when they're done with Halloween. Usually it all gets thrown away, so I want to keep the magnets. And then there's this lovely spider. What I did was I went to Kmart. Yes, there are still a few, and there is one near me. And I got one of those headbands that have the little sticky up things with different stuff on them, like antlers for deer, or these spiders, or pumpkins, or different things for Halloween. I took these off of that because she wasn't going to wear that. And I put one on here, and then I put the other one on her eye patch, which is not out here at the moment, and it looks awesome. And then what we did, she bought this after Halloween last year, and we took what was left of that same ribbon we did her necklace. We put it back on the bolt it came on after coloring it black, and we put it right in there, and that gives you this really pretty shimmery inside of her little crown. And those are a few tips for your Halloween. Pretty much like anything else, these little headbands can be painted with nail polish if you want them a different color. So yeah, nail polish is great for a lot of things. And then of course, I'll show you a little bit more of her costume just because the other piece isn't out here. Again, at Kmart, we also found these cool spider accessories. This is a stretchy ring, and these are some blingy little spider earrings. And so she's going to be a spider queen. I'm just going to be a, you know, butterfly. But we'll all have fun. And hopefully you will too. And that's all for now. We'll show you the makeup tomorrow and what everything looks like all put together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!